finding myself, coming to this retreat. I got in here with a lot of fears. Fear of myself. I had a fear and that I was not allowed to feel love. I was not allowed to be free in myself. I've been searching for so many years for freedom and the answers within myself. And I've been trying different ways to come to these conclusions, but I never really made it. And then I found Inner Revolution just on Instagram. I didn't think it was real in the beginning. I thought it was a scam. Because that was my brain telling me to, or my ego telling me to go away from it, like I've done so many times before when I tried to find my inner self. But then I talked to one of the facilitators, and she kind of convinced me in a non-convincing way of just trying to trust in what I feel and trust in what I do not know. And I'm very happy that I took that to heart and took the little seed that she planted and trusted it. I went back and forth many times after talking to her, and eventually I built up the courage to book it, to come here for 3 days, and I was really nervous on my way here. I didn't think I was going to be able to drive the car all the way without turning away and avoiding it like I've done before. But as soon as I stepped inside, I got this huge hug and felt this warmth of this community right away. And then the nervous feeling started to go away a little bit more. And I've been here for 3 days and 3 nights. And it really changed me in the way that I see myself, in the way that I see the world. And I got to access that inner part of myself and to see what life is really about. And it's about love and compassion for myself and for my surroundings.